Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 9th maths first chapter number 4 ratio and proportion. Today we will see practice set 4.3. Just please look at the board. Question number 1, if a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3, then find the values of the following ratios. This is a ratio is given, we have to find the value of this ratio. What is the value of this ratio? What is given over there? A upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. See, I will write the question first. 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. Okay, this is question. Now what is given over there? See, a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3, right? Whatever is given to you, you will write in all the questions. Okay, first you will write this ratio, then you will write these two ratios. Okay, whatever is given in the question. Now please focus here. A is a coefficient, A is a variable, here B is a variable, right? So what is the coefficient of A? What is the coefficient of A? 5. What is the coefficient of B? Here 3, right? So now you will multiply these two ratios by what? 5 upon 3. Okay, why? Because we want here 5a, therefore we will multiply a by 5 and we want here 3b, so we will multiply b by 3. It is very simple, you have to focus here what is the coefficient of a and what is the coefficient of b. So in short, these coefficients you will multiply to this ratio. See, I want here 5a, therefore I will multiply it by 5. I want here 3b, therefore I will multiply b by 3. So it is 5 upon 3. If you are multiplying to the left hand side, you should multiply to the right hand side as well. Okay. So what it is? Multiply. See, multiply by 5 upon 3. Is it clear? Multiply by 5 upon 3. Why? Because you want here 5a and you want here 3b. Therefore you will get the answer. So what is the answer over here? See, 5a upon 3b is equals to 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, it means now you will keep the values over there. See here, it is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so here we will do componendo and dividendo. See, you will write this here. Therefore 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. Now tell me, 5a means how much? 35. Okay, plus 3b is how much? 9. Okay, 5a is how much? 35 minus 3b is how much? 9. So what is the answer over here? Just tell me what is the answer here. It is 35 plus 9, 44. 35 minus 9, how much it is? 26. Okay, can this is further divisible by any number? Yes, it is divisible by 2 times table. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 22 upon 13. So what is answer? What is the answer of 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is 22 upon 13. I hope you understood. First you will copy the question as it is. Okay, then in question it is given a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. You will write a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. Okay, here coefficient of a is 5, here coefficient of b is 3. So here you want 5a and here you want 3b. Therefore you will multiply it 5 upon 3. If you multiply left hand side by 5 upon 3, you should multiply right hand side also 5 upon 3. It will be 5a upon 3b. So 5a value is 35 and 3b value is 9. Write the question again. 5a value is 35 plus 3b value is 9. 5a value is 35, 3b value is 9. Answer will come 44 upon 26. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So answer is 22 upon 13. See, after question number 1 I have written here 4th, because question number 1 and question number 4 they are similar. So you will solve that. See, first you will copy this question as it is. 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b, right? What is the in question? It is given a upon b. See, a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, right? But here Here only A or B is there, or here 7A and 9B is there. Okay, coefficient of A is 7, coefficient of B is 9. So here you want 7A and here you want 9B. So what you will do, you will multiply by 7 upon 9. Here also you will multiply 7 upon 9. See, multiply by 7 upon 9. Why you will multiply by 7 upon 9? Because here it is 7A. You want 7A value, and here it is 9B. So you want 9B value. So here 7 is the coefficient of A, 9 is the coefficient of B. So you will multiply by A by 7 and 9 by B by 9. So 7 upon 9, 7 upon 9. Now solve it. 7A's are 7A. 9B's are 9B. 7 7's are 49. 3 9's are 27. Now write the question again over here. 7A plus 9B upon 7A minus 9B is equals to 7A value is how much? 49. Sin plus 9B value is how much? 27. 7A value is how much? 49. Sin minus 9B value is how much? 27. Now 49. See, 9 and 7, 16 carry 1. 3 and 4, 7. See, 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. It is divisible by 2 times table. Yes. Check it out. 2 3s are 6. 1 remain. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So the answer is 38 upon 11. I hope you understood how to solve this. Very much easy, but understand how to solve it. Clear? I hope you understood. First you will write the question as it is, and in question A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. You will write A upon B is equals to 7 upon 3. But here it is 7A and here it is 9B. So you will multiply both the sides by 7 and upon 9. 7 upon 9. It will be 7A, it will be 9B, because it is 7A and 9B values we want. So 7A will be 49 and 9B will be 27. Now 7A value 49 plus 9B value 27. 7A 49 minus 9B value 27. This is how you have to do the addition, and then you have to do the division. The answer will come 38 upon 11. So question number 1 and question number 4, they both are same. Now we will solve question number 2 and 3. So dear students, now after question number 1, we will see the question number 2 and 3. Okay, look at the board please. Here, first we will write the question. Okay, and then what is given in the question? A upon B is equals to 7 upon 3. We have written over here. But in this question, in this given ratio, see, A is square and B is also square. It means you will make it square. See, you will make it square. A square, B square. Therefore, 7 square and 3 square. So A square, what will be the answer of this? 7 square means 49 and 3 square means 9. Right? Now you will take here A square upon B square is equals to 49 upon 9. Okay? Because here it is A square, here it is B square. Therefore, we will make it the given ratio square, 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 square. Okay? Same here, it is A cube and B cube. So here also we will make C, A cube and B cube. Therefore, 7 cube and 3 cube. Is it clear? So what is the answer of 7 cube? 343. What is the cube of 3? Is 27. Okay. Now here we will solve. What is the coefficient of A? 2. What is the coefficient of B? 3. So we will multiply it by 2 upon 3. We will multiply it by 2 upon 3. We will write over here. Multiply by 2 upon 3. So now it is 2A square and 3B square. So here 49 twos are 98 and 9 threes are 27. Now you will divide it. Okay, first you will do the addition. See here, it is given 2A plus 3B. So what is the given over here? 2A plus 3B square upon 2A square minus 3B square is equals to 98 minus plus 27. 2A square value 98 plus 3B square value is 27. Here also 98 minus 27. So the answer will be, what is the answer? 9 and 7, 6, 9, 8 and 7, 15, 15, carry 1, 10 and 2, 12, 125, 8 minus 7, 2, 8 minus 7, 1, okay, 9 minus 2, it is 7. So answer is 125 upon 71. So now we will see this third one. We have solved the half as like this. Here it was a square, here it is a cube. So we will make it cube, okay. Now what is the coefficient of a here is nothing. It is directly you can solve. So what is the given over here? A cube minus b cube upon b cube, okay. So a cube value is how much? 343. 343 minus 27 upon 27, okay. So now 343 minus 27, you can minus it. 13 minus 7, how much? 13 minus 7, 6. Now here 3 minus 2 is 1 and it is 316 upon 27. So now we got the answer over here, that is a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equals to 316 upon 27. So this is how we have to solve the question number 1 of practice set 4.3, and it is a upon b is equals to 7 upon 3. So we have to find the values of the given ratio, and it is very much easy. I hope you understood here.